Please subscribe to the English Web and do not forget to click the bell icon to stay notified at all times. Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Web. I am Bhageshri. So I haven't been able to upload a lot of videos in the last few weeks. In fact, none in the last 1 month. I have just moved back from India after completing a master's program and I was quite tied up. But now I'm back and so yeah, I shall be uploading a video every Monday. So make sure you hit the notification bell and you shall get all the latest updates. So I was wondering that we don't have enough expressions to express our gratitude in English, with the most common one being a thank you. Now, while there's nothing wrong with a thank you, I think we overuse the word. It's fine when we use that in a formal setting. There are so many interesting ways in which we can express our gratitude in slightly informal settings. So in today's video, I shall be sharing 5 expressions that you can replace thank you with. So the first expression in today's video, you have been much too kind. This means a lot to me. Now, when do you usually say something like that? When somebody is offered their valuable advice to you. So saying something like, you've been really kind and this means a lot to me, really justifies what you are trying to say to the other person. The second expression that you can use, you're the best. I really owe you one. Now, this cannot be used every time, but when should you use this? When somebody is a close friend or somebody close to you has thrown, a party for you or given you a surprise or just treated you, saying something like that means that, instead of just saying a thank you, you're reciprocating the favor and saying you owe something to the other person. So I think that would be a really nice expression to justify your feelings. The third expression that you can use is something like, I highly appreciate your gesture. Now, when do you use that? When a stranger or somebody less known to you offers you some help, you would just try and say that that is really sweet of them because it's not required of them to do that. So it's always nice to tell them how much you appreciate their kind gesture. The fourth expression that you can use, I am extremely grateful to you for this. Now, when do you use that? When somebody is offered or somebody has done a favor on you, something that you remain grateful for. That is the time when you can say, that you are really grateful for that help or any kind of, assistance. You're just showing them that you really are feeling thankful or grateful, and you make that person feel special. The fifth expression that you can use is something like, I'm honored to be around. Now, when do you use that? When you're a part of a social gathering, you're addressing a lot of people, you've been invited to a party and, you just want to tell people, that, you are really happy to be around. A situation like that can always justify how honored you feel, to be around. So those were the 5 expressions that you can replace thank you with. It's time we change those common words like thank you, even when they're not really required. I hope you all liked today's video. If you all did, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do comment below and let me know if you have any other expressions that we can use in place of thank you. I would love to know them. Do remember, I shall be uploading a video every Monday. So I shall see you then. Goodbye.